Hey everyone, I'm excited to bring you this coil nailer here for an unboxing and review. I'm going to go through the simple steps on using this thing. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got some oil, and you just oil it right down there. Just dump your oil right in there. It's got this nice swivel here too. It even says oil daily there. Pretty nice. So how this thing works, see? And then you do that and you pull the trigger. Okay, to put the nails in this thing, here's the diameters on this, but what you want to do is they go right in here. They just pull this down and open that up, and then open this up. Then your nails go right in there, feed down through here. Now you can shut this and then shut this too. These nails are 1 3/4 long by 0.90. Put that first one right in there. I'll go ahead and shut this trap on there. Okay, now we got this baby all loaded up. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to the air compressor. Overall, I thought this was a great product. I'm going to use it a lot, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching, everybody.